Hi beauties, thanks so much for watching. I want to take you on a step-by-step how to prep your skin. We want to get the skin hydrated in the best state and condition possible so that makeup looks its best. Let's jump into it. So anytime that I am prepping the skin, I always, step number one, sanitize my hands. This is in my kit, this is on my station, this is the most important, so don't forget to sanitize. I like to use a spray, but you're welcome to use a gel as well. And now we're getting ready to start. First step is we're going to apply a makeup wipe all over and get rid of any residue. Next step, we want to apply eye makeup remover. We want to get rid of any residue. Make sure that you shake this before you try. Cleanser. This is an optional step depending how much makeup your client has on. Next is micellar water. This is great to help remove any excess residue, any bacteria, and also tone the skin. Whoops, I got some ice. I also want to remove any lip balm or any lipstick that the client has. Hygiene is the most important, just overall procedure as a makeup artist and protocol. So you always want to make sure that you're using clean disposables, clean tools, and that your entire area is the most hygienic. Next, this is optional as well. I want to add hand cream to my client's hands. Next, I'm going to use a lip balm. In order to do this in the most hygienic way, I'm actually going to take a stainless steel palette. I'm going to clean this and apply the lip balm to the palette. You can take a Q-tip or a lip wand and apply directly to the client's lips. Just ask them to press their lips and hydrate. The skin is almost in the best state possible, but we want to make sure that we're hydrating it, getting ready for makeup. Next step is Fix Plus. There's many hydrating sprays out there. I'm going to use this one by MAC Cosmetics and ask my client to close. I'm going to spray at a distance of about 1 foot, so 12 inches, and spray about 6 or 7 times. This is going to help everything absorb now when I put on the moisturizer. I'm going to next apply moisturizer. This is going to go directly onto the stainless steel palette. We're going to get ready to hydrate. I like to use a sponge so that it's sanitary and apply this all over my client's skin. A pro tip when you're applying anything onto the skin is you want to make sure that you're blending everything into the neck. My final step to prepping my model, my client, my friend's skin, or even myself is to add an SPF. I truly feel like this is the most important step. This is the Supergoop Glow Screen. It has SPF 40 and also really beautiful sheen glow. I'm gonna take a foundation brush. This has no product on it, and I'm gonna take the Supergoop tinted SPF 40 moisturizer. It's actually a primer. It hydrates like a moisturizer, but it's actually a primer. I'm gonna apply this all over the skin and then blend it in. Another pro tip is anything I apply to the skin, I also apply over the eyelids to make sure that everything's blended, soft, and ready for makeup. So now that the skin is prepped, we've done all of our skincare steps, I wanted to notate there's a few optional steps that you can always do. So if you feel like you want an extra glow, you can always add a bronzer. If you feel like the your cuticles or anything are really dry, you can add an oil. And also, if the skin is flaky or dry, you can also use an exfoliator. So now that the skin is in its best state possible and we're ready to do makeup, my next following steps would be to jump into foundation, concealer, and powder.